AIBO is a performance where the performer, Ava, wears a brain-computer interface which is attached to a bodysuit of light on her body that shows 4 emotions: frustration, interest, excitement, and meditation. She does a spoken word libretto to an artificial intelligent entity, AIBO, in the Google Cloud. AIBO returns an answer, which is then analyzed for emotions of positive, negative, or neutral. And AIBO shows those emotions through color and through trying to emulate what Ava is thinking. Ava's brainwaves also launch databanks of videos and a sonic environment.
You've had an operation to remove a polyp on your vocal cords.
And what were you thinking, feeling, and doing?
I asked 2 questions. One is, can an AI be fascist? And the other is, can an AI have epigenetic or inherited traumatic memory? These are questions I'm asking in relation to both myself and my own memories, and to how artificial intelligence will integrate with humans trying to emulate their own indescribable emotions.
I only care about you.
But it is your job.
The benefits of the STARTS residency are certainly in arts practices research. I have created some high-level academic papers which are going to be presented at conferences in the next few months out of the research, especially on AI. The residency helps you develop your ideas further and your art practice further.
Of course, I've been wanting to ask you about my clothes.
The next steps are for me to both present papers around the world on the artificial intelligence aspects, and also to now create smaller parts of the opera investigating computer vision in artificial intelligence. That's what I would like to do.